Hey guys, I'm Emmanuel and welcome to Royal FX Studio. Guys, thank you so much for the likes. I asked for 50, but you guys gave me more than that. I did not expect that. Thank you so much. Now that I know that you guys are really serious to learn, so without wasting any time, let's get the basic right. Step 1. I use D drive, you can choose anyone. Here I have two folders, Project to Complete and Projects. Project to Complete is where I keep all the footages. That means I need to complete all of this or I'm still editing on it. Project is also known as save files. You can name these folders as you want, but this is how I do it. Now, here are some clips that we need to edit. So we will make a new folder inside Project to Complete. Press Ctrl-Shift-N from your keyboard to make a new folder. I'll name it Practice Footage. These are the videos that I'll be editing. Press Ctrl-A to select all, Ctrl-C to copy, and Ctrl-V to paste. Now we have organized our footages, let's open Premiere Pro and organize there as well. Click on this Premiere Pro icon and wait for it. These are the project or save files that I was working on. We'll start with a new project. Here you will name the project. I'll write Editing Tutorial. You can write anything. Click on Browse and choose a folder where you want to save. For me, I save it to Project folder. Now click on Scratch Disk. These are all temporary files. Change their location. For me, I've created a folder called Temp in D drive. Inside Temp folder, these are the files. We're done. Click OK. If it's your first time, then it'll look something like this. Don't worry, let's simplify it. I don't work with Source Monitor because it slows me down, so I'll close it. I'll do the same with the rest. Except for the project, FX, and FX control. These three I need. Now drag the project up here. Follow me if you want to do the same. If you have mistakenly closed any of these, then click on Windows and click on the one you needed. For me I don't, so I'll close it. There are 4 ways to import media clips. Right click and choose Import, or double click, or press Ctrl-I, or drag and drop. Your choice which you want to use. I usually drag and drop, but before that we need to organize here as well. Press Ctrl-B from your keyboard to create a bin, or also known as folder. Name it Footage. We'll create 2 more. Name it BG Music for background music. Name it Sequence, also known as Timeline. Double click on it and it pops out, which I don't want. Press Ctrl and double click, it won't pop out. Let's go back by clicking here. Press Ctrl-A to select all. Now press and hold Ctrl and click that clip which you don't want. It will unselect. I'll drag and drop these clips here. To create a sequence, drag and drop a clip over here. And there's your timeline. We have 2 same looking clips, but this is actually a sequence. You can see the icon. It's a little different. That's the sequence. Drag and drop it to sequence folder. Now close it, I'll tell you why. Let's make a new sequence and see. There are 2 sequences. If I double click on it, look, I can create multiple sequences and work on it. This sequence makes up the timeline. We'll talk about it later. For now, I'm trying to make it really simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Next lesson, we'll talk about how to trim, cut, delete, ripple, delete, all of this. As you are seeing me do that right now. All of these are done using the shortcut keys. Yes, you will learn that too. So, see you all in the next lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe, click on the notification bell, share this video, and click the thumbs up if you really liked it. See ya!